Okay, so let's start with question number 13. In question number 13, they said scalar product. Scalar product of ijk with unit vector along the sum of vector 2, 4, minus 5 and lambda 2, 3 is equal to 1. Answer yes. Let's give the name A bar, B bar, and C bar. They said A bar, scalar product of A bar with unit vector is equal to 1. That's 2. So let we are having A bar as 1, 1, 1, B bar is 2, 4, minus 5, C bar is lambda 2. So first of all, find B bar plus C bar. So B bar plus C bar is 2 plus lambda, 4 plus 2 and minus 5 plus 3. So it is 2 plus lambda 6 minus 2. This is scalar product of A bar with the unit vector. So first of all, find unit vector. So unit vector means what? B bar plus C bar upon its magnitude. So 2 plus lambda 6 minus 2 upon under root 2 plus lambda square 36. They said scalar product means A bar dot B bar plus C bar upon B bar plus C bar magnitude is equal to 1. They said dot product is equal to 1. So we know the value of A is 1, 1, 1. And B bar plus C bar 2 plus lambda 6 minus 2 upon under root 2 plus lambda square plus 40 is equal to 1. This goes here and here. Let's multiply 1 with 2 plus lambda. Similarly, 1 with 6 minus 2. This goes here. So we are having 4 plus 4 lambda plus lambda square plus 40. So now these two are taking square on both sides. We are having lambda plus 6 whole square is equal to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Let's expand it. So lambda square plus 12 lambda plus 36 is equal to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Lambda square cut. 12 minus 4, it is 8. So 12 minus 4, it is 8 lambda is equal to 12 minus 4, 8 lambda, and 36 goes to right hand side. So we are having 44 minus 36, which is 8. So lambda is equal to 1. Sum solved. So now let's go on question number 14. So question number 14 says that if ABC are mutually, if ABC are mutually perpendicular vector of equal magnitude. Okay, means magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar is equal to magnitude of C bar. So that C bar dot D bar is equal to 15 is equally inclined. So that the vector C bar dot D bar, there is a correction. Anyone having textbook? There should be correction. Anyone having textbook? Question માં error છે. Hello? Hello? ટેક્સ્ટબુક ખોલો, કરેક્શન છે. ટેક્સ્ટબુક છે કોઈની પાસે? થઈ ગઈ. કોઈની પાસે ટેક્સ્ટબુક નહીં મળે?
No.
થઈ ગઈ ટેક્સ્ટ બુક ના ક્વેશ્ચન માં કરેક્શન છે
એપ્લિકેશન માં આપ્યું છે સર
સો ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 14 માં એવું આપેલું છે કે a bar b bar and c bar having equal magnitude means equal to simple then show that a bar plus b bar plus c bar a bar plus b bar plus c bar equally inclined to a bar comma b bar comma c bar क्वेश्चन तो समझ में आएगा है ना कि नहीं आएगा है नहीं आएगा है तो चलो वापस आपके लिए मेहनत की जाए करेक्शन मैंने मળી ગયું છે એટલે હવે વાંધો નહીં આવે a b c equal magnitude પાછું એવું કીધું છે mutually perpendicular means a bar is perpendicular to b bar is perpendicular to c bar and a bar is perpendicular to c bar so that vector c bar dot d bar છે ને એની જગ્યાએ શું આવી જશે vector a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equally inclined there is a correction આ કીધું છે a bar b bar perpendicular b bar c bar perpendicular a bar c bar perpendicular and value their magnitude must be equal then so that this a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equally inclined to a bar b bar c bar easy task so let's find angle cos theta 1 this angle is between a bar b bar c bar and with a bar so we are having magnitude of a bar b bar c bar into magnitude of a bar okay right so let's multiply a bar magnitude of a bar square multiply b bar dot a bar c bar dot a bar upon magnitude of a bar b bar c bar upon a bar now as we know b bar dot a bar 0 because they perpendicular to each other so we are having magnitude of a bar square upon magnitude of a bar plus b bar plus c bar into magnitude of a bar okay now let's find cos theta 2 so cos theta 2 is what angle with b bar upon magnitude okay let's multiply a bar dot b bar dot b bar c bar dot b bar as you know this is 0 this part is 0 and here b bar square this is also 0 divided by magnitude of a bar b bar c bar dot magnitude of b bar so we are having b bar square upon a bar plus b bar plus c bar into b bar similarly cos theta 3 which is magnitude of c bar upon a bar b bar c bar dot c bar okay are they similar let's try this is the value so you can cut this is the value so you can cut this is the value so you can cut and if you observe we are having theta 1 is equal to cos inverse magnitude of a bar upon magnitude of a bar b bar c bar and theta 2 is equal to cos inverse now in place of b bar magnitude b bar you can write a bar so cos theta 2 is also magnitude of a bar upon a bar plus b bar plus c bar similar with theta 3 hence theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3 it means they are equally inclined making same angle equally inclined okay anyone having doubt okay so question number 15 full speed રાખીશ okay ધ્યાન આપી દેજો જરાક બી આમથી આમ ભટકાય એટલે પૂરું કેમ કે આજે પૂરું કરવાનું છે prove that a bar plus b bar dot a bar plus b bar is equal to a square plus b square if and only if a bar and b bar are perpendicular, given that a bar is not equal to b bar. Okay, prove that. Easy, very easy. So they said, they said, just a minute. They said a bar dot b bar, a bar dot b bar, sorry, a bar plus b bar dot a bar plus b bar is equal to magnitude a square plus magnitude b square. Let's try it. So let's multiply. So a square multiply a bar dot b bar, b bar dot a bar b square is equal to a square b square. As we know, a square b square values are cut. So we are having order has no importance. So you can write 2a bar b bar is equal to 0. Okay, 2a bar b bar is equal to 0. It means magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar, and angle between them is equal to 0. In question they said magnitude of a bar, magnitude of b bar is not equal to 0. Hence compulsion is that cos theta must be 0. Matlab angle between must be pi by 2, and this is proof. Okay, to do that, to having mod a square plus mod b square, theta must be pi by 2. Okay, let's move on question number 16. So question number 16 says that if theta is angle between a bar and b bar, and a bar dot b bar greater than equal to 0. Okay, let's see. They said a bar dot b bar greater than equal to 0. Oh, it means magnitude of a bar, magnitude b bar must be greater than equal to 0. Oh, sorry, cos theta is missing. Cos theta 0. A bar b bar not equal to 0. So cos theta must be greater than equal to 0. This is first and fourth quadrant. Okay, so theta must be between 0 to pi by 2, or 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Let's see which one is given. Let's see. So in the question they given option B, 0 to pi by 2. Wow, 0 to pi by 2. Question number 17. A bar b bar be two unit vector. A bar and b bar are unit vector. Okay, theta is angle between them. Then a bar plus b bar is also unit vector. A bar plus b bar is also unit vector. Let's see. So now for this case, let's take square on both sides. So we are having a bar plus b bar square is equal to 1. So it means a square plus b square plus 2 times a dot b is equal to 1. This is 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Magnitude A, magnitude B, cos theta is equal to 1. This 1 cut. 1 goes here. So 2 times 1 cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, second quadrant. So pi minus pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 is your answer. Let's see. Yes, 2 pi by 3 is given, option D. Okay, question number 18. In 18 they said I dot j cross k plus j dot I cross k plus k dot I cross j is equal to what? Okay, let's do it. Yes, very good. J k. Okay, let me draw circle I j k. They say j cross k means it is I cross k, reverse I cross k means minus j. I j matlab k. It is I square. This one magnitude of j square. This one k square. As we know, I is unit vector, so 1 minus 1 plus 1. So result is 1. 0. Very funny. Let's see it. So yes sir, 1 is given. Option C. Okay, now question number 19. If theta is angle between, theta is angle between between whom? कोई तो होगा ना. Then what is the value of theta? So this can be written as A B cos theta. This is written as A B sin theta. A B cut because values. So tan theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to pi by 4. खेल खत्म. Anyone having doubt?
Sir, આ 18 ના ખબર પડ્યો.
18 number. See. I
Sir,
think up
I
to this
dot-
clear.
એ નહીં, I dot છે તો એ 90 એંગલ છે તો 0 થઈ જાય ને.
हैं? I and I वच्चे 19 एंगल.
ના એ નહીં સર, I dot J cross K. હા, બ્રેકેટ પહેલા બરાબર.
हाँ, okay. હવે ક્લિયર ને બેટા?
Yes.
You